Today we are very lucky, and I'm very pleased to tell you that we are going to be touring Embassy Gardens, Cantonment by Clifton Homes, and we're going to show you some of their 2-bedroom apartments. We're hoping they are available to be able to show you because we've teamed up, and it's just going to be amazing. This is one of the up and coming places, one of the places everyone wants to stay, everyone wants to live at. So short term, long term, this is your place. Their amenities, their facilities, everything is top class, and it's newly built. So let's head inside and have a look. Welcome to the room tour. The first apartment we're going to be showing you is the 2-bedroom apartment and suites. Walk in, it is absolutely stunning. As you enter, you have the seating area and the lounge area. From there, you have a small table with 4 chairs around it. You have sweeping views of the outside area where there is a swimming pool. This whole property has 3 swimming pools all in all. Then you walk your way this side and we have the kitchen. The kitchen has 4 hobs on it. You have your washing machine over here, your place to dry everything, and then your fridge and deep freeze. As you enter, if you go on to the right, we will see the first bedroom. It is really, really lovely, really, really big. Got some artwork, everything matches, really nice. There's an aircon over there which is blowing straight onto the bed. And you know, if you're in Accra gets really nice and hot, so having an aircon in that situation is absolutely perfect. From there, we can make our way into the bathroom, and the bathroom is really impressive. It is really, really massive. You got the granite touches, your toilet, your basin, and then a really, really lovely shower. Then if we turn our way around and we make our way back to the other side of the room, we can go and see the other bedroom. There's also a TV on the wall, another aircon, and the whole room is really well ventilated and will keep you very, very nice and cool. This bedroom is also absolutely stunning. It is so well with the lighting. Another aircon that is going to blow straight onto your bed. The artwork is so lovely. It ties the whole room together. I love all the different colors. I love the Ghanaian vibe. And then the outside area, what looks over onto the courtyard where there is a swimming pool. And as I said already, there are 3 swimming pools across this whole apartment. Then we'll swim our way that side. There are 2 double cupboards where you can hang up all your belongings. From there, your mat on the floor. You have your shower. Rain showers are absolutely amazing. And then you'll see how big it truly is in here. You can put a washing rack up here, hang all your clothes up, and then you have a toilet and basin. Also on premises, you need to remember, they asked us not to film outside, so you have to respect their wishes because there's lots of people that are staying here. They don't want to get filmed in there, which is completely understandable. So if I'm able to find some pictures, I'll put them up to show you what else you have to offer. There's 24/7 security to make you have your comfort at mind. There are dining facilities on site. On top of that, there's a gymnasium at the premises, which is absolutely amazing. It is a one-stop shop where you can just move in with your luggage if you want to do short-term stay, long-term stay. These are the places to do it. It's in the heart of Accra, perfect place to be, and I absolutely love it. That is going to conclude the tour of this absolutely brilliant property that is Embassy Gardens. I want to say thank you so much, Godfred, for showing to us, and it's absolutely incredible.
Thank you.
And we appreciate it so much, taking your time out of your day, being able to show to our audience, for people wanting to visit, that places like this exist inside Ghana, exist inside Accra, and if you're coming to Africa, these are the places. So over to you if you've got anything you'd like to say.
Yeah, I'd like to say thank you very much first of all to you, and I also say thank you to the viewers for your time to watch this absolute brilliant and beautiful place. I mean, whenever you visit Ghana, Accra, this is the place you would like to be, and that's Accra Luxury Apartments. And also, whenever you have an event, that's the Underbridge by Accra Luxury Apartments. With about the contact and also the website will be shared on the screen.
Absolutely, and the screen and the description.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So this is a one-stop shop when it comes to hospitality. Accra Luxury Apartment is the best, and we can assure you that quality service, quality customer service, quality
and high-end finishes, high-end luxury, absolutely
high-end
everything.
luxury and high-end everything, absolutely.
Yeah, I agree, and I can second that with the service, with everything. It's been absolutely on the ball. Everything you guys have done for us, it's been amazing. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Very much, Callum.
Thank you.
All right.